Hey guys, I got my Young Living order today. It came super fast this month. As you can see over here, we've got a lot of our replacement items. Dish soap, laundry soap, Mindwise. My husband is loving this in his morning drink. He drinks it along with all the other stuff instead of coffee. You should go check out his page at Frank Kiefer Life. And then we've got lavender mint clarifying shampoo. Let's see, this one is the Super Cal, and then Luminize. Obviously, I need the eye support. So my back stock on these were running low. And then this stuff right here is for a lymph challenge that I am doing. If you want to know more about that, go ahead and message me. We've been wanting to turn some of our oil bottles into rollers. So I went ahead and ordered the roller caps. You just take out the little dropper filament in the bottles and then pop these on instead. And then over here we've got all the gifts with purchase. So depending on how much you order, it tells they'll send you a certain amount of stuff for free as a thank you for ordering. Some of these items are only available through placing your order through loyalty rewards. Basically, it's a customizable monthly order. And you earn points, you earn gifts, so we love it. It's a great way to slowly switch out all your products to help reduce the toxic load on you and your family in your house. So, all right, that is my October order. I will see and talk to you guys later. Bye. If you can end it.